Welcome back, aspirants. I hope you are all good and absolutely fine. So today in this video I'll cover the next three agenda that we have initiated in the part 1, and in these two videos I'm explaining you how to tackle smartly this English section as far as the IBPS Marketing Officer preliminary exam is concerned. So I would like to recall the last three agendas which I will cover in this video. How to enrich word power, from where to practice English sets, and how to read fast in English. So it will be a final video on how to tackle this section, and if you follow the 60 to 70% the recommended part, then I can tell you that you can score good marks. If you are following me with 100% effort, if you are following all these steps that I am mentioning in these two parts, then there is a 100% chance that you will get very good marks, approx 19 to 18 marks out of 25 very easily in the pre-examination. As far as the cutoff is concerned, I have already explained that it is increasing day by day. Every year the cutoff is increasing very rapidly. Like last year in 2018-19, the sectional cutoff was 6.7 approx for English section for general category, and in the year 2019-20 it raised to 8. So we have to be more careful. So let's move further. I'll tell you how to enrich your word power first. Now first we will see the vocab part, how to increase, how to enhance our vocab word power. So for that you have to visit vocabulary.com. Just search it on Google and open this website, and just log in through your credentials of Facebook and Gmail, and this dashboard will come in front of you. Now what you will get from this website, whatever new words, difficult words you are reading from the Hindu editorials, you have to practice it here. If you don't have time to cram, then just read for once and practice on vocabulary.com. Now I will tell you how to make that list so that you can have multiple choice questions and you can solve it to have a practice session. For that, just click on this option button, then click on My Lists. After that, this page will come. Here you can see My List, but you are very new user to this, then there will be no list. Then you have to create it. For that, you have to click on New List. Then it will give you a panel to write all the words that you want to list. I have taken 5 words that I am pasting here. That is acerbic, diaspora, prevailing, palpable, and probity. Now I'll start my practice session by just giving the name of this list. For that, next step, we have to give the name of this list. I'm giving it name as list 5. By just clicking on it, the practice session will get started. Here you can see the word that I put it on the panel list. It came in the question. Acerbic means you have to find out the actual meaning of this word. See, virulent, I know the meaning, that is why I selected it. Then it will give you the green color. When you select the incorrect option, then it will give you the red color, and it will give you the last option chance, so that you can select the correct answer of the questions. Like this you will get multiple choice questions for the different words that you are putting in the list, and you can practice it on daily basis. Okay, see this, the second question is prevailing means. dominant. So in that way you can practice. It will give you not these kind of questions only, it will create some other kind of questions like fill in the blanks, typing also. So you will get a diversified experience to learn the vocab. And it is a very good platform. As far as the database is concerned, this website contains 12,000 words of English, which is from the basic to the advanced. So 12,000 word for this exam is far more enough. So if you want to get it, just go to vocabulary.com, create a profile and create your list, practice on daily basis, then you can see the change in you and you can see the enhancement of your word power. Now the second agenda of today is the practice sets, from where to practice the English. For that I will recommend you two websites. First is Aspirant Zone and second is IBPS Guide. Search it on Google. The first search will come Aspirant Zone. You have to click on it, open it in new tab. The same thing you have to do for IBPS Guide. I am opening it in new tab. Now where you have to go, in, let it be open. In Aspirant Zone you have to go to Quiz Zone. In that you will have the English section. It also carries quant and reasoning as well as different part of it, but as far as the MOP tree is concerned, we have to focus on English, quant and reasoning. So our agenda is English, so we will open the English section. Here they have divided all the parts of English very lucidly, and you can attempt the questions topic wise. Okay, and they will give you timer also and the quality of questions is very good, so you can have very good practice session when it comes to the English part. Okay, if you are not satisfied, if you want to solve more number of questions, so in that front you can go to the IBPS Guide. Search it on Google, IBPS Guide, and click on it, open it in new tab. Just go to the material section here. Then there is a drop down will come. Touch the English language, then you will see the practice questions. Just click on it, then the all practice questions that they are updating on daily basis will open. You have to attempt the pre-level questions that will belong to the PO, SBI PO, IBPS PO, RRB PO and IBPS SO. So just practice it on daily basis and you will get to know that your accuracy and your number of questions that you are attempting for means pre-examination will get raised. So through these means you can enhance yourself, and daily practice is the key, revision is the key, and reading editorial is the main and important part which will help you to solve these sets. So have a daily habit of reading editorial that I have already mentioned in the part 1. So have a practice of it, and practice of sets will help you immensely to score good marks in English, because we have already learned the gravity of this section. Now I'll tell you the last agenda of this video is how to have good speed in English reading. For that you have to avoid some kind of things because whatever you are carrying the conventional kind of reading that you don't have to carry for your competition, and you have to have some new kind of skills so that you can read the questions very easily in less time. For that you have to practice reading on screen through editorial, and second is reading the news with the audio. It will help you to avoid regressions, it will increase your eye span, and it will also increase how to grab the nearest meaning of a difficult word. For that you have to search it on Google, the news on AIR. It is an official website of All India Radio. Here is one facility which is very useful for students. What you have to do, just drop down the page, home page, and reach to the reading news part. Okay, here you will get the all exactly the script which is read by the news reader, and what you have to do, read the script along with the audio. It will help you to understand or comprehend the script very easily. and you can avoid the regression, and it will also help you how to have a habit of reading and comprehension simultaneously with great speed. For that, go to read news and open the English section. There will be morning news. Click on it. Then you can see the yesterday's news is there. It will get updated. It will come the morning news will come at 8:30, but on the website the script will get updated till 11 or 12. So for that you have to wait till 11. After that you can access it. And for audio you have to come down and open the listening section. See it, the 11th June audio has already came. So for that, yes, we have 10th June midday news audio. So for that we will open the script of the yesterday's midday news. Then we will see how it is going to help us. Now you can see the midday news which came at 2 o'clock. Now we will open the audio file of this. Just go to the listen part and open the midday news 10 June. Now you can listen. The script and the audio is very similar. There is nothing different. What you have to do, play this audio and read the script simultaneously. It will create your speed, that is your word per minute will get raised. Your reading as well as comprehension simultaneously will enhance, and you can recognize the meaning of the difficult word through this kind of reading. Okay, now I'll tell you how it is very similar. Just listen the audio and read the script.
Good afternoon. This is All India Radio. I'm Anuja Kumar, and with me is VC Pramod with the midday news. The headlines. COVID-19 recovery rate reaches 48.88%. Number of recovered people overtakes the active corona cases for the first time. 958 dedicated COVID hospitals.
So you can see that the script and the audio is very similar. There is nothing difference, and the word are very much exactly the same. So what you have to do, open the audio, open the script and listen the audio and read the script and comprehend it simultaneously. Do not pause the news, do not do a regression, and it will help you immensely to have good speed in reading. And this thing will not only help you in English section, while reading DI, while reading reasoning, while reading the information which is present in caselets, you can read these things very easily in faster way, and you will take no time to read the instructions or the datas when it comes to the quant and reasoning section also. So in that case it will help you in different fronts. So consider it very very well and practice it on daily basis. After 1.5 months you can see the change in you. So this is the second part, and that is the final part. I'm going to complete it, and I just want to tell you that consider all the points, because these 6 points will help you immensely, and it will help you to get good marks in this section. And as far as English is concerned, because we are marketing professionals, we are budding manager of marketing, so English is also very good for our career perspective. So just work on it and have a habit of it, because it is a language which will help you throughout your life. So with this I'm just signing out, and I hope you are all good, and all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you.